In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Stan store to Instagram. By following these steps, you will seamlessly link your store to your Instagram account, allowing for better promotion and accessibility for your audience. Begin by navigating to your Stan store. Look for the My Store option located in the left sidebar of the interface. This is where you can manage all settings related to your store. Once you have accessed the My Store section, locate your profile photo or logo displayed in the store preview area. This visual element represents your store and is essential for branding. Next, find the pencil icon, which resembles a pencil emoji. This icon is positioned directly next to your profile photo or logo. Clicking this icon will allow you to edit your store's profile settings. After clicking the pencil icon, you will see the editing options appear. Move your cursor over the section designated for social media icons. This section is typically located beneath your store's name and logo. Within the social media icons section, locate the field specifically for Instagram. Click on this field to activate it, which will allow you to input your Instagram details. In the Instagram field, enter only your Instagram username. It is crucial to input just the username without adding the full link to your profile. This ensures the connection is made correctly. Once you've entered your Instagram username, proceed by clicking the Save button to confirm your changes. This action finalizes the connection between your Stan store and Instagram. It is important to check that the username you entered is correct and corresponds to your Instagram account. A common mistake is to include additional characters or the full URL, which can lead to connection. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next You&E Piss.